Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Retractable Garden Hose reel, and so we got this to attach out here. This one's 100 feet, so this one will get pretty long. We're going to take it apart here and see how this one looks. It's definitely got some weight to it. I guess when you got 100 feet of hose, it's going to have some weight. And we get a garden hose end. We have our thing that we're going to attach to the wall, and it'll attach to. We got some big old bolts and some whatever those are called, whatever. And then we have our instructions. So we're going to go and put this thing on, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Okie doke. So we are ready to put it on. We screwed this thing onto the wall. It's nice and strong. I got this piece here, which is a little pin that goes in it, and then this is going to connect up to there. Let's see if I can do this with my bad arm. Oh man, I don't know if I can push the pin at the same time. Let's see. Pin slightly in, and over it. Here. Oh, okay. Let's see. Where am I at here? Am I close? Don't know why it's not going. I feel like I might need my assistance here. So you can stop it. Okay, had I held it straight, I would have been able to get the little pin in, but basically you just got to make sure you're centered on this thing, and it's hard for me because I'm over water here. So I kind of had that, but I'm going to show you guys how it works here. I just took off the plastic. They cover up all these ends with plastic, so I guess you don't lose all the different washers and things. But this is a little end here, so I will put this on. And the way it works is you pull it out when you want to use it, and you hear all those clicks. So every time you hit a click, it'll stop, and then to go back in again, you just let go, and it'll retract. And this little deal here keeps it from retracting in beyond here. So we're just gonna leave it here like this, turn on the water, and we'll be using a hose. So we're gonna use this thing to fill up a hot tub upstairs, and use it to wash down some boats over here. So we are good to go. Thumbs up.